Today we are going to try to solve a chemistry riddle. Well, here we have two structures of rugulobenzene. We have here A and we have B. And the specialty about this natural product, which is isolated from penicillium, is that you always isolate it as a racemic mixture of both diastereoisomers. We have two stereogenic centers, and this means there are four stereoisomers, two pairs of diastereoisomers with two enantiomers each. So, this is very unusual. Normally you isolate from nature a single enantiomer, but in this case always racemic mixture. So, what's going on there? Clearly there has to be some mechanism of racemization and epimerization. Please try to figure out how this could happen, first by yourself, then listen to the solution that I will offer. Well, here I have drawn the structure of rugulobenzene once again, but without the stereogenic, the absolute configuration of the stereogenic centers. Clearly, to lose stereo information, it has to happen at this bond. So let's think about what will happen if we break this bond heterolytically. Well, we have a free electron pair here at that nitrogen. If this delivers electron density, this bond has to break. We will get an iminium cation, mesomerically stabilized here, and here we have an anionic charge that is conjugated to this pi system. And let's simply draw the most stable resonance structure. It's this one, with the negative charge at the oxygen. And here, this pi system is, of course, a Furan system, an aromatic heterocycle, especially stable. That means, because we get a Zwitter-ionic structure, which with both charges, the positive and the negative charge, are especially stabilized, this reaction will occur under rather moderate conditions, and of course this is reversible. So it is reversible from here to there, and also from here to there. And this intermediary structure has no stereo information at all. And therefore there will be also no enantio selectivity. There will be some diastereo selectivity, but nevertheless always mixtures are produced. Thanks for listening.